Hello, this is Chris Joseph, Blue RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, 2024, and behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 210RSS Class C Motorhome. We're gonna show the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think.
Yeah, a little foggy and rainy today, but it's better than snow up here in northern Minnesota. We just got in this great little Coachmen Leprechaun with a bed slide that we're very excited to have. As you'll notice right there, this is the Leprechaun SS model, which means it comes with a 15,000 BTU roof air, tankless water heater, slow close door latches, drawer latches actually, black tank flush, power awning, 5,000 pound hitch, and of course, running boards. This one's on a 1.5 ton Chevy chassis with a 6.6 liter V8, plenty of power for this size of a coach. Nice front fiberglass cap right there. Nice big extended mirrors. What's nice about all Leprechaun models is that their power awning covers all the windows on the door side. Never a bad thing. That comes up about 8 feet. Give you a nice patio area right here. This one has a 100-pound propane tank because the generator is actually a 4,000 watt LP generator on this coach. This is just access to the back of the fridge. You do have a cable hookup and 110 plugs here in case you want to stick a TV out here and watch the game. On days like this when it's rainy and kind of gloomy. You will have LP quick connect right there in case you want to bring along your own grill, your Blackstone, your Coleman. Once again, 5,000 pound hitch here on the back. It is prepped for the Lippert ladder. It doesn't have the walk-on roof if you decide to add a ladder and go up there. Otherwise, you can certainly get a foldable aluminum ladder, something along those lines. Look at this big storage compartment here. Access there, and huge access over here. This is all easy to clean. There's even a little drain there in case you'll get a little water or something in there. Here's your 110 plug-in right there. Black tank flush, city water connection. So your fuel fill is right there. There's your tankless water heater. There's that LP powered 4,000 watt generator. There's the bed slide that we'll see here in a minute when we go in. We'll go take a walk on the inside and see what you guys think. No electric step to corrode or break. House battery will be underneath that second step right there. Battery disconnect right when you walk in the door. Awning switch. Generator switch, monitor panel. Tanks are all empty, thank goodness for that. And the generator and the slide button are right there. Here's for your tankless water heater. We won't turn that on right now, but at some point obviously you will need that. There's your AC, the nice 15,000 BTU, which will freeze you right out of this coach. Lots of overhead storage. Microwave down below, 3-burner range here on top with the stove cover that acts as a backsplash. Nice deep cupboards. There's your 12-volt refrigerator right there. So you've got your L-shaped dinette that can also, if we do this, grab this cushion right here, turn into a C-shaped dinette if you have more guests. Huge bed over cab. Obviously you can use that for storage if you want as well. TV goes on a little arm, it'll swivel over this way to make it easier to watch. Little step here. The reason why that step is there is it gives you that storage in the back. And what's nice about Coachmen models is they keep this low, so if you're sitting here, you can still see out. So many Class C's have this raised floor here, and all you can see is that right here. But if you're sitting here, You actually look out as someone else is driving. Definitely improves the view. You have the fabric shades, close off the windows. Of course, we're going to have the Venetian metal blinds there in the kitchen just because of fire danger. That's going to be their reasoning. Built-in pantry. Some up top as well. Here's that walk-around bed once that deep slide goes out. What's nice over here, look at this big closet. I wouldn't see any of that if my wife was with, but I'll never complain about too much storage. A nice drawer there with the soft close. There it goes itself. It is wired for a bedroom TV if you want to add one to the coach. Here you got the all-in-one bath. And what's nice, when they give you a skylight, is that overgrown people like me, once we stand in here, I'm just over 6'2", not coming with, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. And this right here is bowed out, give you a little more turnaround room. Once again, if you're looking for a little Class C, got a walk-around bed, nice couples coach. You can always bring the grandkids or kids with if you want. Place to sit, not too long. Get into the state parks, national campgrounds, or other way around. Great size for that. And this one's here and available right now. Once again, this is Chris here at Blue Union RV in Duluth. I've been here over 23 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We take trades. We don't have any hidden fees at all. We're 70 years family owned this year. So this coach will come with full propane, full gas tank, complete orientation. I know it's hard to see now with all the fog, but there's a tree line over there, and past that tree line is an international airport. You go ahead and fly in anywhere in the country. Fly in. I'll come over and pick you up. I'll bring you back over here. So attached to this building are 24 service bays. It'll be in one of those bays down there, and everything done just like I mentioned. We'll give you an orientation and you're on your way. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, so anytime we post something new, you guys will know all about it. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.